What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So we have a 180K Chrysler Town & Country that I made a catalytic converter for that the California guys cannot do. So someone asked, what's the warranty on this? Well, since the customer is actually tuning up the 180,000 mile 3.8 V6 that still has the original spark plug wires on it with a Po420 code, now I will issue a warranty on her car because she is completing a full maintenance tune-up with a cat efficiency code. Now I will give her a 2-year, 24,000 mile warranty because she's actually taking steps to make sure that the catalytic converter has a chance on surviving. So 180,000 miles, and it has the original Mopar wires on here from the day it was installed. So we're doing spark plugs, wires. They come for regular oil changes and filters. And we did a fuel injection service as well. This is the only way that I give a customer a warranty is if they do the needed and required maintenance at the time of the cat efficiency failure. Thanks for watching.